What a lot of you guys don't know is my dad actually did my hair on my wedding day. Guys, welcome to a new video. So today I am going to show you exactly how my dad did my wedding hair. A lot of you guys have been asking me for a tutorial, and I'm finally gonna bring it to you guys, featuring my lovely father. Hi, Baba. My dad's representing the nonprofit masks that I created right now. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys exactly, or my dad's gonna show you guys exactly how he did my hair on my wedding day. It took about an hour and a half for him to complete my hair. Obviously, I don't have the same makeup and I don't have my wedding dress on, so the vibe is gonna be a little different, but I'm going to be inserting photos along this video to show you how my wedding hair was. I did have hair extensions on, and he is going to be putting those on for me today. I also got my wedding headpiece that he's going to put. And anything else, Baba, you want to mention before we get started?
No.
You're ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it. This is my wedding headpiece. And the whole vibe behind it was that my designer wanted it to seem like these stems are coming straight out of my hair in a very natural, subtle way. As far as the wand that my dad used on my hair, this was the exact one. It is 28 mm. So if you guys want to achieve the same look, make sure that your barrel is just as thick. All right, so right now my dad is going to be blow drying my hair. It is recommended that your hair is not like super clean. It is at least 1 day dirty. So if you are doing your hair for your wedding night, make sure to shower the night before. Sah, Baba?
Yeah.
The night before, that way the next day your hair has some like oils to it. It'll look a lot better when it comes to styling. If it's your wedding night, you guys have a long night, so if you're gonna really straighten your hair, it's super straight, and then you decide to curl it, the curls will not hold on all night. So that's why my dad only straightened the crown of my head and then the roots right here to make sure everything is nice and sleek, and the baby hairs are like out of my face when he does curl my hair. And right now he's going to go ahead and put in the extensions line by line and then curling them. Right now he's parting my hair in the middle, because on my wedding day I did have it parted in the middle, but obviously you guys should do whatever fits your face shape. I do have an oval face, so parting it in the middle somehow does suit my face shape. So once he curled my hair, he went ahead and he clipped them. That way they can last. The curls can last a little longer. By the time he's done curling the rest of my head, he'll go ahead and remove all the clips and then style my hair. All right, so now that my hair is all curled up and tied, my dad's gonna go ahead and remove the clips and start styling the hair. The look is to go for really loose curls, somewhere in between Hollywood glam and a natural looking curl. I like to make sure that right here it's straight and the curls don't start up really high. I feel like it suits my face structure a little bit more. So that's why if you guys notice, the curls don't really start to like right below my actual eyes. I personally feel like it has a slimming effect when the hair is straight from the top and the curls start as you go downwards. So the extensions that I'm wearing are from Elegance Hair Care. They were, however, so long, and my wedding day, obviously I had the extensions a lot longer, but then for everyday wear, I didn't feel like it was appropriate. So I actually ended up trimming them down, which is why my hair doesn't seem as long as it was during my wedding day. All right, so now that you guys saw how he did the curls, he's gonna go ahead and put my headpiece on. So this is how we did it. We put it right here, right behind my earlobes. And then these, as I mentioned, or I don't know if I mentioned it or not, you can move them. See, you can put them inside, outside, however you want it to be. And then he set it on my head with some bobby pins.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Baba. All right, guys, this was my wedding day hair tutorial featuring my lovely father. If you guys have any specific questions for us, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. Other than that, we will see you next week with a new video. Bye.